Hi, I'm attorney Jim Desmond. I handle car and motorcycle accidents in Kentucky and Indiana. Today I wanted to talk to you about a question I hear a lot from my clients, which is, can I get in a rental car? Okay, first step, is your car truly not drivable? If it's drivable, okay, they're not going to put you in a rental car. Simple as that. If it's not drivable, what do we got to do to get the ball going and get you in a rental car? First step, I got to know who the other driver is. Usually means I got to get the police report. As you find out, or as you may have found out before, a lot of times they tell you that'll take 5 to 10 days, basically after the accident to get the police report. I don't know. I check all the time. I've seen some of them take the full 10 days. I've seen some of them take a day, okay? Then we got to get the insurance claim open, basically with that fault driver's insurance. We've got to get that claim open and say, hey, this guy's at fault. You owe my client basically a rental car from day one, okay? They've got a reasonable amount of time to investigate the claim, okay? If it's a situation where the driver and the insured are the same and he admits he's at fault, fantastic. We're going like this. We're going real fast. But let's say, for example, somebody's driving my car and I'm not responding to the inquiries of my insurance company. Then they're saying, hey, look, we can't do anything till we find out, why did Susie Smith have, Jim Desmond's car and what was she doing with it that day, okay? Because again, should she have been driving it? Did she have my insurance actually apply? Or was it a situation where I didn't even know she had the car? Okay, there's a lot of things that can go on. For you all as a consumer, what I want to kind of stress as a rental car is this. Usually if the car is a total loss, they want to limit you to 10 to 14 days. And that's pretty reasonable usually. The idea is it's called mitigation of damages. The idea is you can't say, well, my car is not usable and now I'm going to wait and make you guys make this offer and now you're going to basically have to pay for 6 months of a rental car. That's not how it works, okay? The law says you got a duty to basically mitigate your damages, which means lessen them where you can, okay? But your loss of use claim started on the day of the accident. Don't forget that. So I'll see sometimes that they'll put you in a rental car 8 days later and they'll only want to keep you, in for another 10 days. You go back to the loss of use, the start on the day of the accident and say, hey, those first days, I was still entitled to the equivalent of a rental car of $30 or $40 a day, and you guys should either pay me for that or you should basically tack it onto the rental. And I see that messed up a lot. And that will sometimes bite an insurance company in the tail end because I've had cases where, they'll take 2 months to investigate it and they'll be arguing mitigation of damages, that we should have lessened it somehow, but, that our client's need for the rental car, we should have somehow lessened that. But we're sitting here arguing the other response, which is, hey, it's from day one. The loss of use exists until basically they resolve it. And how do they resolve it? Either put you in a rental car or give you the money basically to go on and get another vehicle. So I hope that helps. I know a lot of people have questions about rental cars, and I know attorneys don't want to answer them, and usually you don't get the answers you need. So I hope this helps. If it does, do me a favor, subscribe to the video, or subscribe to the channel, share the video. If you still got questions, give me a call at the cell phone below, 502-609-7657. Thanks again for your time.